Hi guys, in today's recipe we are going to be making a very quick and easy homemade green seasoning that makes everything taste good. Subscribe to the channel and let's begin to add our ingredients to our food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a blender with water. First ingredient, we're going to be adding 2 medium-sized onions, and you don't have to use the same ingredients like I did. You can make it any other way that you feel. If you want to add thyme or you want to add rosemary to this, you also can. I'm adding 14 pimento peppers that I washed and I peeled off the stems. One to 2 bunch of green onions. And I'm going to break this down before I continue. We're continuing with 1 bunch of cilantro, and if you don't have cilantro, you can use shadow benny, or you could add cilantro and no shadow benny. Either or works. I'm adding a very small bunch of shadow benny, and this seasoning makes every single thing taste good. So you can also look out for my chili oil recipe, which I'm going to be using this seasoning to do. A nice knob of ginger, a cup and a half of garlic, and I'm going to mix this again. And we're going to add 1 bunch of parsley. It can be curly parsley or this variety. And I like my seasoning chunky because it retains a lot more flavor for longer, and it gives your food that extra freshness, and you can add it in the end of your meals when you're cooking. You can put it in a bowl like this, or you can bottle it like this and place it in the refrigerator, and it can last quite a while. Thank you for joining. See you on another good day for another great recipe.